Hey everyone! Ever thought about getting paid just for sharing your opinions? Well, buckle up because today I'm showing you how to make easy money online with surveys. Yep, you heard it right. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got Swagbucks. This site is a goldmine. Just go to swagbucks.com, sign up, and start earning SB points by completing surveys. These points can be cashed in for Amazon gift cards or PayPal cash. Simple, right? Next, we have Survey Junkie. This one's all about voicing your thoughts on different topics. Head over to surveyjunkie.com. Create an account, fill out your profile, and you're set. Each survey scores you points, which you can swap for cash or e-gift cards. Easy money in the bag. Now let's talk tips to boost your earnings. First, complete your profile. This helps survey sites match you with the best surveys. More matches, more money. Second, be consistent. Try to set aside a few minutes daily to check for new surveys. The more you participate, the more you earn. Lastly, join multiple sites. Don't limit yourself to one platform. More sites, more opportunities. And there you have it. Making money online with surveys is a fantastic way to snag some extra cash or gift cards in your free time. Give it a try and drop a comment to let me know how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.